That's right. On today's video, we are going to be unboxing art. We've done a lot of unboxings here, but never have we done art. The story behind this is that I am a big fan of an artist by the name of James Jean. And I've been following his stuff for many years, and it was all inspired by this painting, one called Maze, which I absolutely love. I've always bought prints and photos, but I've never really had physical art like sculpture. Everything's been printed. And the main reason for that is photos and other print stuff, you can kind of hang it on a frame, and they're fairly easy to place every time we have a blank wall, like behind me here. Sculptures, I've never really known how to put it somewhere, and so I've never really dared to acquire one. When the first edition of the Maze sculpture came out, I really wanted it, but it was a little bit outside my price range because it was a very limited quantity. However, a few years later, they made a less limited edition sculpture by the name of Descendents, Lucid Dreamer, which still carries with it some of the motifs, the maze itself, in part of the sculpture, and I just had to get it. It was a lot more affordable. That's the story of why I eventually ordered it. Now, I didn't know what to expect. I've never really received a high-end art piece before. And since this is my very first sculpture, I thought I'd take you with me on the unboxing experience. So let's go. It's very well padded. Oh, wow. Not sure if you're seeing this, but this is from a art company called Avant Art. So you get special gloves on the inside. There's a tote bag. So this is Descendents Lucid Dreamer, and it has lots of packaging. Wow. Just trying to find where to open things. Ah, yep. Even the art box is quite a nice design. Handwritten note, little instructions on how to care for it. Oh wow, so this is, as you saw, 459 out of 537 with a signature. I'll just show it to you in the box. That's how it comes. That's the mirror base. And that's the translucent, shimmering figure. Now, remember I mentioned the maze, and this is because originally it was released as a maze print as well, with the shoes having the maze design motif. Let me put this down so you can have a better look. It's just such a surreal piece to see in person, with the soft light that shines through and the intricate details. I actually just can't get over just how detailed this statue is for a resin piece. Because of the frosting, I feel like it fits in quite nicely with the rest of the apartment here. What do you think? I never thought I would be someone who actually goes out and buys art, but now having seen this in person, I'm glad I got it. There is something very ethereal about seeing it in person. I think this is kind of perfect for our house because it blends with so many different things. Now to figure out where to put it. I initially thought of putting it here, just near the front entrance, the console where the keys and everything are. But that area gets quite dusty, and I just thought the mirror finish wouldn't survive that very well, even though I reckon it looks quite nice. Eventually, I've decided to actually put it onto this bookshelf. This way, it's a little bit more secluded, and the lighting, I think, makes it really stand out, and I get to see it on the way to the bedroom every day. Where do you think it should belong? Also, let me know what you think of this video. I haven't done one like this before, so if you like and subscribe, I might do more. Alright, here's another one. Bye!